Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So what I'm using right here is a fish fillet. This is haddock. You can use any other fish of your choice, but we prefer this haddock. My children love the haddock. So it's a haddock, it's a fish fillet. It's already filleted, so there's no bone or skin. I'm just going to cut this one a little bit into 3. You can cut it according to how you like it. You can season it the way you like, so you can season it however you like, but I am going to season this one very lightly. I'm not going to season it a lot. So these are the only 2 ingredients I'll be using to season it: black pepper and salt. So next step, I'm going to just coat it with flour. This is just your regular flour, just thinly coat it. So right now I have an oil on the stove heating up. I'm going to start by making the batter itself. I'm starting with 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of some cornstarch, some salt. You can season it anyhow you want, a little bit of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of paprika. I'm just going to mix everything together. Now, to make the batter rise, you can just add very cold water and then add a rising agent. Your rising agent can be beer, or if you don't have any other rising agent, you can add after you mix your batter. For me, I'm going to be using club soda. If you have club soda, you can use it. This is unsweetened, just club soda. So you can see it's going to be bubbling. Oh, I forgot one thing before I start mixing this. You know what I forgot to add? I forgot to add baking soda, and I'm going to add baking soda soon, because baking soda. So just give me a moment. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's not going to be fluffy and crispy if you do not add baking soda. So now I'm just going to keep on mixing everything. So the club soda and the baking soda will give it the rise. It will, as you can see, the bubble is coming up. That's the chemical reaction. And it's not too thin and it's not too thick. You want pancake, a little bit thinner than pancake consistency. Alright, so our oil has been heating up while I was preparing the batter. I'm going to try and see if it's hot enough, because you want it to be very hot. Can you see that as it's floating up? So it means that the oil is ready. now we don't want it too thick, like I said. Just going to let it drip. You don't want a thick batter when you're eating it. You want it nice, crispy and airy. Alright. Now you can use a tongue for this. You can use a tongue, but I prefer to use my hands. So now it is ready. Alright guys, so this is our fish. It is very crispy. It is very crispy. Now be careful. See how flaky it is. It is very yummy. You can use any kind of dip that you want. This is tartar sauce. Now I paired it with some grilled potatoes. I have a recipe of this grilled potato on my channel, so you can go ahead and check it out in case if you want to try with this. Oh, this is so yummy. Your kids are going to love it. This is so yummy. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy it, kindly give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share with your family and friends on your other platform. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.